This is the Brooklyn bound R train. The next stop will be Court Street. Stand clear to close the doors, please.
This is a Queens-bound R train. The next stop is Rector Street.
Please leave the train. Stand clear. Close the doors, please.
This is Whitehall. Transfers available to the R train. Connections available to the Staten Island Ferry.
This is John Square, 42nd Street bound and local train. The next stop is Rector Street. This is Whitehall Street.
Transfer is available to the 1 train and M15 select bus service.
Transfer is available to the Staten Island Ferry.
This is a Queens-bound W local train. The next stop is Rector Street.
This Whitehall Street transfer to the 1 train and the F-15 select bus service. Also, connection to the Staten Island Ferry. This is the Queens-bound R train. Next stop will be Rector Street. Stand clear to close the doors, please. This is a Brooklyn-bound F train via the R line. Next stop will be Court Street. Stand clear to close the doors, please. Oh my gosh, he put it.
Stand clear. Close the doors, please.
Oh.
This is a Brooklyn-bound W Express train. The next stop is Court Street. This is a 96th Street, 2nd Avenue bound Q train via the R line. The next stop is Rector Street.
This is a Brooklyn-bound R train. The next stop will be Court Street. Stand clear and close to Norris, please.
This is Whitehall Street.
This is a Queens-bound F local train. The next stop is
Rector Street. This is Whitehall Street. Transfer is available to the 1 train.
Transfer is available to the M15 Select bus service.
This is a Brooklyn-bound R local train. The next stop is Court Street. This is a Brooklyn-bound W Express train. The next stop is Court Street.
Pepsi, boy. Blue hat, spill it if you knock out of my hands.
This is a World Trade Center bound E train. The next stop is Rector Street.
Queens-bound W train. Next stop, Rector Street. Stand clear, please.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the last stop on this train. Everyone, please leave the train.
This is a Bronx-bound 1 train. The next stop is Rector Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
This is a Bronx-bound 1 train. The next stop is Rector Street.
This is a Bronx-bound 1 local train. The next stop will be Rector Street on this train. Stand clear of doors.
Stand clear of all doors.
Everyone, please leave the train.
This is a Bronx-bound 2 train. The next stop is Rector Street.
This is how ferry transfer is available to the 2, E, F, N, R, and W trains. Also, transfer is available to the N15 Select bus service.
This is the last stop on this train. Everyone please leave the train.